I am innocent. I stand before you today proof that the promise of Gideon is dead. Not only did the justice system for indigent defense fail here, but the promise of equal protection and due process as well. Our system of government relies on many principles. Two of these are a belief that everyone deserves justice equally, and that money should be part of that equation, but also a fair and balanced approach to that justice is consistent with the fundamental principles of liberty which lie at the base of all of our civil and political institutions. Not only did the public defender fail in this regard, but more poignantly, the jury, press, and the state's prosecuting attorney, D.J. Hilson, did so as well. My defense was hampered from both sides of the adversary system. First, by the state in denying me crucial chain of custody discovery items, and also in its destruction of key pieces of evidence for the Fletch case, but also from my attorneys, who regularly denied me access to important information I needed to make quality decisions, and its ineptness at laying out a case that could be articulated to a disenfranchised jury and a bloodthirsty public. The Constitution of the United States has in its preamble, we the people, in order to form a more perfect union, establish justice. This promise, made over 225 years ago, remains unkept for those of us who cannot afford proper representation or access to the same resources that the state has when it comes to evidence gathering, laboratory, or investigative personnel. The Sixth Amendment of that same document was put in place by men who deeply loved their freedom, but who knew that government can't be trusted to just a few. When only one voice is heard, the very freedoms being sought are lost. These words I paraphrase from an anti-federalist letter and view what was so very important and imparted in our Bill of Rights. Due process is at the very heart of our jurisprudence. If a person is denied this, as I was, through deliberate deceptions, purposeful manipulations of the theft of my attorney's notes and discussions, or the court's failure to render a proper decision after my third assigned public defender, Brian Hosco, turned turncoat for money to the prosecutor's office, then shared that very same attorney-client ballistics information to the state's Lieutenant Jeffrey Crump his first week on the job in August of 2017, so that Crump could alter his ballistics report number 25 on August 25th, 2017, just in time for court. How was a citizen to get a fair trial, let alone advice that he can trust?